Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as we have started with the modeling of this particular interior, so let's continue it. So now what I'll be creating over here is like this. We'll be creating this shelf. So for that, let's take a box over here. Let's take a box. So definitely we'll be working with the size over here. So let's resize this stuff over here. So convert to editable poly over here. We'll just push it up and let's go into this modeling, and let's take one swift loop over here, go into this polygon, extrude this up till here, click OK. So let's use a swift loop over here a bit, select this and let's extrude a bit over here. That's it. Alright, so now again I'm going to use one swift loop over here and one swift loop over here, select this and this, and let's just bridge it. Just go on bridging it. So let's go into this view, let's save the file. Let's go into this vertices. Let's make it much thinner over here. So make it a bit thinner. So now what I can do over here is like, once you are done with this, we can just put some loops over here for the kind of shelves. So just select this, can just push it over here. Isolate this selection over here. Let's again go over here and let's put one loop over here. So press 4 for all of this polygons, and let's use a bit of bevel over here. Just click OK and isolate this. So we can just slowly push that up. That's it. Okay. We can just resize it afterwards. Whatever resizing is left out, we can do that stuff. Just save your file. So we'll just first model the main stuff, then we'll just model the small details over here. So now we have a table also over here. We need to model that table also. We'll just arrange that afterwards properly, all this stuff. So let's take a cylinder over here. So push that cylinder a bit up. Increase its sides over here and reduce its height segments. So let's convert to editable poly, resize it. You can just resize it. So let's go into this polygon and let's give a bit of inset over here. Let's use bevel. So let's go into this and let's use a extrude over here. Let's push that down. Just push it more down. Bevel it. So beveling it in a positive axis. Press plus. Scale it. Push that down. So I'll go into this edge over here and let's give a bit of chamfer over here to give it a more smoother. Give a bit of chamfer. Click OK and just push that down. Alright. So once you're done, you can just keep on saving the files. So let's again go into this edge, and if you want that we need to give a bit of beveling it, you can just give a bevel to the edges. So once you're done, you can just save your file again over here. So things which you are left out, now we'll just create few frames over here. So for creation of this frames, let's use this stuff over here. Let's take a box over here. So let's resize it. Just push it a bit inside. Convert to editable poly. Press 4. Insert it. Let's use a bit of bevel over here. Click OK. So let's take a swift loop over here. So let's use this. Push that out, and you can use a bit of chamfer. Click OK. So just duplicate this stuff, scale it. So again duplicate this, make it much smaller. So just duplicate this frame and copy this. So let's just select it and just give one material. So now what we can do over here is like we can create this kind of shelves over here. For creation of the shelves, let's take again a box. Let's go on to this view. Let's go on to the side view over here, and for the shells, let's just make the shells in this way. So just push it inside. So shift and drag to make a copy of it. Alright. So first we'll just make all this stuff, then we'll just adjust it accordingly, how we can perfectly adjust all the stuff. So just save the file. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.